Hello, welcome back. Now, whether you want extra volume,
Oh, Janie, I could do
a
it.
little volume, or just some glam, we're finding out how hair extensions could work for you.
And here with all her expert tips is Hairstylist Sabrina Hill. Good morning to
Good
you.
morning.
Sabrina.
And wonderful Angela
And
is here with
Angela's
us as
here,
well.
the model.
Yes, thank
I mean,
you,
we were
Angela.
saying earlier on, are they still a thing? But they obviously are for a lot of women. Hair extensions are an essential part of what they do.
They are, and they've gotten so much better as well.
That's the
because
thing.
I remember talking to a client last week, and she said she remembers her 24-year-old daughters coming home from a night out and seeing little, almost like rat tails around the place.
It is nothing against Brittany, but she loves a crap hair extension. Do you know what I mean? Like they're the old school hair
Yeah.
extensions. They've gotten better. But what sort of, do they suit every sort of hair now?
Kind of.
Okay.
It depends on your hair. Like if you want length and you want big volume, then bonded extensions are always going to be a better choice.
So what does bonded extension
So that
mean?
they're little keratin bonds that you attach to the hair, they melt them in, and they're all separate little extensions. And they're the ones that have been around a long time.
Yeah, okay.
What's gotten really popular is tape extensions.
Okay.
I have them in right now.
Do you, even for
Yeah.
short hair?
Yes.
Bit of volume.
So a lot of women, they don't have a lot of hair in the front.
Yeah.
From processing, hormones, etc.
Can men have
and
them?
you can, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want me to try?
Definitely.
No, when you're just saying your hair's so short, because I have really thin hair, and I was just wondering, I've never heard of men
I'll show
getting
you
hair.
mine here. So in my hair, you can see that I have one
Oh,
of the
I see
tapes
it
here.
there.
And you can get them in all different colours. And why I get it is to fill out my bob, and also so I don't have to bleach my ends. And that's why I get lighter ones, so that my hair stays healthy.
So then you're protecting your hair overall in order to
Exactly.
do this. So for people, we know we're finally talking about hair loss for an awful lot of people. For men and women, we realise that, but women are using it, whether it's you're getting older and all of a sudden your hair is falling out, postpartum, stress, alopecia.
life.
Life. Like it
Life.
really is. Like there's so much going on there.
The one thing I have noticed is a lot of people are wanting extensions for special occasions. And I try and talk them out of it if they haven't had extensions. And I have something here I can show you.
Okay.
Which is clip-ins. Clip-ins
Right.
are really after coming on.
So what's
When
the
I think
difference?
when I think of a clip-in, I kind of think of Cousin It from back in the day.
Exactly. So much better now.
Okay.
So
better colours, 100% human hair, not synthetic. So you can style them exactly like you style your own hair. And why I love them is that there's less maintenance.
Okay, so if you get the full extension, you're getting it bonded into your hair.
They could be in for 5 months.
They could be there for 4 or 5
Yeah.
months. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So these are literally just small clip-ins. Show us how
Yes,
this works.
they're actually in Angela's hair on this side. So you can see the thickness that she has. What a great colour match, by the way.
That
They're
is
amazing.
phenomenal. Sorry, Angela, do you mind me touching your hair?
With her own hair. Where is the extension?
They're clipped in here at the side. I'm going to show you how I put them in on the other side. So I've actually pulled some hair out at the front.
Do you dye them?
They come in so many different
Different
colours.
colours?
Yeah.
Oh my God,
They can be matched completely. Even grey hair.
Oh, girl, talk to me about it. Yeah, love
So
it.
many. I've actually pulled some hair from the back out here in the front.
Okay.
She has very little hair in the front. I'm going to show you exactly how I put them in, because there's a little knack to this.
Okay. Do
So-
people
Okay.
always
Do you
go
wanna
to the salon to
turn
do
maybe
it, or do
slightly that
people?
No, you can do this at home. So
Okay.
you can get matched up in the salon,
Yeah.
and they can cut them in. So these have been shaped for Angela's hair.
Okay, so what we doing?
So you can put them in and out.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, go on.
So much easier. I usually put 2 fingers over my ear, and that's kind of where you need to start.
Yeah.
Take out a section. You can see it here. We have, take out this section, and we're going to clip this away. Now, a little trick that I like to do is spray first with dry shampoo.
Oh,
Spray underneath into the root area, and what we're going to do is do a little tease, because that will make sure that they stay
That's for friction,
in.
is it?
It makes sure that they don't slip out of hair.
Okay. Yeah.
If you have very fine hair, they might slide.
Okay.
So this is a much better idea. Get your first one and make sure you're 2 to 3 fingers back. Stick in your clip. Do a little wiggle. This kind of keeps it in really well. And then
how
you're
is
going to
that
get...
sticking on? How is it sticking on?
There is little clips at the back.
Oh, it's like a little clip.
We get a
going
close-up of that.
down. Just yet.
And you just
it's like a little
pop them
comb.
in and
yeah, it's like a
out.
little comb.
And we're going to just repeat that a little further up. Again, keeping about 2 to 3 fingers back away from the hairline.
Yeah.
Do a little tease, Forgot my spray.
Your dry shampoo again.
Dry
Why
shampoo.
the dry shampoo?
It makes sure that the tease stays in the hair and that the clip
of volume
will
in
have
them.
a bit of grip.
So it's not silky, it's not smooth. You need that little bit of friction.
Exactly.
Okay.
And we're going to just open the clip, wiggle it in, and then close. And all you have to do is just blend it in with your own hair.
Do you know some people who may have the extensions that they're in now for 4 or 5 months? Is there any hard and fast rules of how to keep them good?
Make sure you're using Salon Professional products.
Oh, really?
The best. This brand of hair extensions is an Irish brand, Cascata. I have to mention them. They're the best we have ever used in the salon. Amazing.
So now you lashed that in a few minutes. You are a professional hairstylist. I understand that. This is something you've got to learn. Look at the size of Angela's hair. It's unbelievable.
It's absolutely amazing.
So now, does Angela take them in and out every night?
Yeah,
What's the story?
no problem. Pop them out, brush them and put them into a sock.
Put them
And
into a
your
sock?
drawer. Yeah.
Why?
Keeps them smooth.
Okay, so keep them smooth. So you can use them for whatever you want then every occasion.
Yeah. Pop them out, all weddings, parties, everything. Give you a bit of volume.
Because some people do have their hairpiece at home.
Oh, they do, yeah. You can actually tongue them when they're out of your head.
Yeah.
I clip them into a pillow
But
and tongue them.
that match is incredible. So that brand that you've just
Amazing.
mentioned has so many different colours. You'll always get something close to your hair.
And rooted ones as well. So
Yeah.
if you have a balayage look.
How long do you genuinely think people can get? Now, they have to practice to do this at home.
Oh, after a blow dry, I would say less than 10 minutes.
Great.
You think
There
you can
go.
learn how to do that?
Easy.
Well, now, there we go. Do you love them?
I love my
Love them.
Look at her. I know she's giving it. Look how full your hair is, Angela. She's
Sabrina,
never taken those home.
Thank you so much for
Sabrina,
joining
thank
us.
you so much for joining us. You can find Sabrina online, of course. We'll be back with you in Ireland AM in just a minute.